All right, Icy's getting ready to go.
Grab a hold of the handlebars.
Icy.
Can I go now?
Don't let go no matter what.
Yeah, put your thumbs around it. There you go.
Can I go now?
Go.
Whoa, okay, crazy. Up on down.
Power down.
Okay, I'm done.
Go. Put your feet down. Uh-oh, she's coming back for more. Okay.
It's on.
All right, Liam's turn.
Grab a hold of both hands.
Hold on as tight as you can, but you don't want to drop. You'll get hurt. Go.
Right. Put your feet down. There you go.
I don't know where the, ow.
Is that pretty great or what? Oh yeah, it's a lot tighter, Chad. Good job.
Don't swing back like that.
Hold on, Bailey. It's almost your turn, babe. You've been very patient. You okay, Mackenzie? Be brave. Hold on tight. Go! Nice jump.